Yes, so hi everyone, my name is Tibor Nagy, and next few minutes I would like to talk about how we improve the PDF accessibility export in Calc. Yeah, so in the first slide we can see that how looked like the accessible PDF file structure tree. For demonstrated this, I just created and export a basic ODS file, which some content. And then if we check the structure tree, yeah, it's just contains 6 paragraph structure element. And these represent the header and footer section, information, yeah, and nothing more. So this PDF file had several problems. The main issue is that the entire document content was missing from the structure tree, and another problem was that the structure tree didn't contain root element like a document, and therefore it incorrectly tried to use a paragraph element as a root element. But the paragraph elements can't be a root element. So yeah, this exported PDF file wasn't meet the PDF universal accessibility standard. And the next slide, we can see how look like right logical structure tree. Yeah, first of all, there is a root element, the document, which represent the workbook. Another one is a part structure element with which represent the sheets, and the document element can have multiple part element, it depending on a number of sheets. And the next element is a table element, which represented the print area, and as well one part element can have multiple table element. And yeah, it's depending on a number of print areas. And yeah, it's every row get a table row elements in an exported PDF file, and every content in the PDF file get a paragraph element and a table data element. So, and yes, and how looks like a good logical structure? Yeah, now it contains the document element, document root structure element, the document, then the part element, and yeah, there are 2 table structure element because yeah, it's maybe not visible, but the print area border is between the columns G and H, and therefore there are 2 tables element, and yeah, and it's clearly like that now the all content of the document is are well structured. And yeah, I would like to talk about another problem. Yeah, the PDF size are larger than the regular standard PDF size because yeah, in the PDF file every content gets an extra tags like paragraph, table data, table row, and therefore the accessible PDF files are larger than the regular standard PDF files. And yeah, and a few weeks ago, I ran into an issue which related to the file size problem. And yeah, first glance, yeah, I thought that yeah, this wasn't a really issue because yeah, as I mentioned, the accessible PDF file size typically have larger file size. Yeah, but after I check it and I created and exported a very basic ODS file, which some 7 content, and then I exported it and I checked the file size, and I checked the file size, and yeah, it was too large. So after I use a PDF accessibility checker tools, and yeah, I just noticed that we exported a lot of empty cells, but yeah, we can see that we just need the document element, part element, table element, just one table row, and the 7 paragraph, 7 table data structure element. So yeah, it's unnecessarily exported a lot of empty cells, and therefore the numbers of structure elements was also over the 400. And yeah, and what about that if we don't exported a lot of empty cells? Yeah, now the exported PDF file contains only just 18 structure tree instead of 400, and the file size also reduced by half. And yeah, if you check it, the structure tree, yeah, we can see that just exported the document, root element, part tag with a table row, and the 7 table data element, and the 7 paragraph element. So yeah, in short, this was how we improved the Calc accessibility export part until the beginning of last year now. And yeah, thank you for your attention.